Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And that video's only been out a few minutes, and somebody's already asked me how did he get the oval so perfect, like a continuation? Very easy, just take an oval, and of course he had something to go by, and we're not gonna try to mimic it, but don't hold down the control button so you get an oval. And then hit P, put it in the center of the page. Take a rectangle about the thickness of that, and what we could do, we could actually measure that. And also, I noticed when I was getting ready for this, if we move these two, I haven't removed the line. See, I don't know if you can see that, but the center line is still there. I haven't removed it on that one. On this one I did, so all you see is the exterior lines. So we can measure this, kind of get an idea. We can go to parallel dimension tool and go from there to there. And we got 3.25 inches. Now, of course, my oval is a little bit different, but we're going to make a rectangle that is 3.25 wide. Then we're going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and because it's rotated that way, we're going to rotate it a negative 45 degrees. Now, let's take the virtual segment delete key and delete that part, and just take away the rectangle now. But the one other step you need to do, this is still a curve. You've got to go to object and break the curve apart. And then we can check. And if you look, my nodes are going in the same direction. So evidently he didn't do it my way. Artistic media tool. Look, it did them both at the same time. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.